In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formula fields in Zoho CRM, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know how to create a date field for a contract start date and automatically calculate a renewal date 1 year later using a formula, all within the Leads module as an example. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the home page. From there, click the Setup gear icon to open your settings. In the Settings area, go to the Customization section and choose Modules and Fields. This is where you control layouts and add fields to your modules. Select the Leads module so we can work through a clear example. Open the standard layout. In the field palette on the left, find the date field, then drag and drop it onto your layout where it makes the most sense for your team. When prompted, enter contract start date as the field label. This will be the date your formula references. Next, we'll add the calculated field. From the same palette, drag a formula field to the layout. Label it Renewal Date so it's clear to users what it represents. Set the formula return type to date, since we want the output to be a date. Now, let's build the formula. In the Select Function area, choose Add Date and click Insert to add the function to your expression. Click inside the parentheses so your cursor is positioned correctly. From the Select Field list, choose Contract Start Date and click Insert so it appears as the first argument. After that, type a comma, a space, the number 1, another comma, a space, and then the word year in single quotes, like this. 1 year. This tells Zoho CRM to add 1 year to the contract start date. Quick tip. The function follows the format add date, start date, interval value, interval unit, and the unit should be in quotes. You can switch to month or day later if your business rules change, or use a negative number to subtract. Click Check Syntax to make sure there are no errors. If everything looks good, click Done to confirm the formula. Finally, click Save and Close to apply the layout changes to your Leads module. From now on, when users enter a contract start date on a lead, the renewal date will populate automatically based on your formula. This keeps your data consistent, reduces manual work, and helps your team stay ahead of renewals. Consider placing these fields near related contract details so they're easy to find, and test the behavior on a sample record to confirm the calculation works as expected for your process. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.